Today we're excited to introduce you our incredible trim cap sign. A sign is detachable, easy to install, and a breeze to maintain. Hey there, this is Tony. Welcome back to our awesome channel. I have worked in LCSIGN for more than 5 years. I serve more than 100 professional sign companies from all over the world. If you're into awesome signage solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay in the loop. We also got a link in the description below for more info on our mind-blowing trim cap sign. Now let's dive into the installation process. In just a few simple steps, you can transform your space and make your brand shine. Step 1. Place the logo draft on your wall, ensuring it's straight and aligned perfectly. Step 2. Use the installation paper as a guide and carefully drill the holes. Remember to remove the installation paper afterward for a clean finish. Step 3. Insert and press the provided screws into the case to secure the sign in place. Step 4. Apply a small amount of glass glue into each wall hole, sliding the trim cap sign shell, allowing the glue to bound and provide extra strength. Step 5. Secure the trim cap sign with masking tape, ensuring it stays in position. After 48 hours, carefully remove the tape to reveal your professionally installed sign. And there you have it. With our trim cap sign, you can effortlessly install a stunning sign that enhances your brand's visibility. But you have to know that not every signage manufacturer can make such a perfect sign. So if you're still looking for a way to buy a sign for your business, LCSIGN is your best choice, and we have CE UL certification and 3 years warranty. And if you're recommended to this video by a sales representative, you may now resume your conversation. Thank you for watching, and we're also looking forward to serve you soon.